A warm greeting to our lecturer Dr. Radin Zaid and fellow friends. Today I'm Korisha from Group 2 along with my group members would like to present our first project video about vegetable and fruit pillars. As a part of discussion, I would like to talk about the problem identification. The most critical part in designing new goods and services is knowing what the customer really needs. For a better understanding of it, our group has studied on the vegetable and fruit pillar that are available in the market. In addition, we had conducted an interview session and also distributed survey form to collect some information from customers. From the survey, we know that customers' main problem while using pillar is they easily get injured. It happened when customers use the pillar to peel the tough type skinned vegetable and fruit. There are also some other problems faced by customers, like they can't peel the vegetables or fruit completely. The knife cannot be replaced, and also they feel uncomfortable gripping while holding the pillar. Here is some pictures and video on how the customer get injured while using pillars. Next, I will discuss about the literature review. Vegetable pillars in theory and practice has been studied by many researchers. Based on a study, fruit pillars are basically kitchen utensils used to peel any kind of fruits, especially that needs peeling, and their use is not restricted to apple only, but it can use for tomato, pear or any fruits in small or big shape, and also vegetables. There are two types of pillars that has been studied before, which is Y pillar and the swivel pillar. The pillars is designed like the ordinary knife with the blade attached to the wooden or plastic handle. The Y pillar, also called the Rex pillar, is used like a razor, where the skin stripes are shaved off parallel to the handle. The swivel pillar has a plastic handle to project upward to support a rotation blade. The only thing that is needed to remember is the fruit pillars should be used the hands away from the blade to avoid your skin from being peeled along with the item.
Good morning everyone. I'm Lee Jae-min from Group 2. I'm going to present the part pattern search. First, the pillar is one of the inventions to provide people new ways to peel the vegetable and fruits. This invention makes people more convenient in daily life. There are many types, design, function, and size of the pillar available in the market. Notwithstanding, there are still many inventions that miss the nature of the safe use. Then, the next part is user complaint. Most of the customer complaints are about the handle of the pillar in the market is not comfortable to use. This may show that many people face the same problem. Not only that, there are some complaints about the quality, design of the pillar blade safety. This corresponds to finding our research to improve this product. Next, I'm going to talk about problem analysis, which is 5W1H. First of all, 5W1H contains what, who, why, when, where, and how. First is what. What is our product? Our product is vegetable and fruit pillars. Then, who is our target audience? Our target audience is student, housewife, and industry worker. Then is why. It will make us more convenient and easy to peel vegetable and fruits. The next is when. We can use it on any time to peel the vegetable and fruits. The next is where. The pillar is a kitchen utensil that used to peel the skin of vegetable and fruit. Then is how. The peeler should be selected according to the type of vegetable and fruits.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat Guzani. I'm from Group 2 Bmfg 2133 from Dr. Radin. My part is user need expression 2.0 and 2.1 survey and questionnaire. We have a user need expression such as gender, age, occupation, do you use vegetable fruit peeler, how often you use vegetable fruit peeler, have you made any complaint about the vegetable peeler product have bought before. For 2.1 survey and questionnaire, have you injured when you use a vegetable peeler, what type of vegetable peeler are using. We have 4 type, type Y, extra wide, star straight vegetable peeler, and tie peeler. Then we have the expecting price for vegetable peeler. As a regular user of this vegetable peeler, is a design peeler are sweet to you. What is the complaint about the peeler? How long does the vegetable peeler last? Okay, survey and questionnaire. Summary of the result. Based on the survey result, the majority of the users are female, around 20 to 34 years old. According to the survey, we can to know that almost the user use the peeler at least once a week, and the majority of them have made a complaint about the peeler. 70% of the users use tie vegetable peeler, and 45.5% of them say it cause injuries. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
The vegetable peelers that are used by the kitcheners for the peeled vegetables and fruit, mostly used by a housewife and a chef. And also some of the bakers using the vegetable peelers to shave the chocolate or cheese. So we call it the vegetable peelers is a multi-use product. The other target audience that we use in the similarity of products is fruit sellers, which is the bachelor who have their own use for these peelers. Low end price that the range of it is 1 ringgit 50 cent to 3 ringgit. The estimate cost for this peeler is 70 cent until 1 ringgit per each. But the others is a middle end price, which is a 4 ringgit for per each until to 10 ringgit per each. The estimate costing fees is the 2 ringgit 50 cent until to 6 ringgit 50 cent. So the cost of estimate by the assume that the price is set by the standard markup method, which is a markup is 50% of the peeler's cost. So our product aim to enter the middle and in the market for the users can available to buy it.
That we want to produce 2000 units of vegetables and fruit peeler. The cost needed as following: direct cost, raw material is 3000 and labor cost is 2000, and indirect costs have manufacturing cost, land and construction cost, and the other expenses. Total is 1500. The cost is 6500. And this is the cost to produce 2000 units of vegetables and fruit peeler. The cost per unit to produce a peeler is 3 ringgit and 25 cents. And the last part is the expected pricing. It's also cost plus pricing. Cost plus pricing is adding a markup to the cost of goods and service to arise at a selling price. Cost plus pricing can also be used within a customer contract, where the customer reimburses the seller for all costs incurred and also pay a negotiated profit in addition to the cost incurred. The estimation cost per unit is 3 ringgit and 25 cents. We apply a standard 50% markup to all of its products. Total cost is 3 ringgit and 25% per unit, and then multiply the amount by 50% to arrive at a product price of 4 ringgit and 88 cents.
That's all, and thank you from us.